Different types of micro-high-speed centrifuges cater to specific needs, making it important to understand their variations to select the most suitable model. Main types: fixed-angle rotor centrifuges. Description: hold tubes at a set angle relative to the axis of rotation. Uses: ideal for rapid separations and high-speed applications. Swinging bucket rotor centrifuges. Description: buckets swing out perpendicular to the axis of rotation. Uses: suitable for gentle handling of samples, such as blood fractionation. Variable angle rotor centrifuges. Description: offer adjustable angles for the rotor. Uses: useful for optimizing centrifugation conditions for different samples. Mini centrifuges. Description: compact and portable. Uses: ideal for fieldwork and small laboratory spaces. Refrigerated centrifuges. Description: equipped with cooling systems to maintain low temperatures. Uses: essential for preserving heat-sensitive samples, such as enzymes and proteins. Understanding the different types of micro-high-speed centrifuges and their features can help in selecting the most appropriate model for specific needs. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their operation, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.